Brenda, that ain't the smartest thing you've ever done.
Rob wouldn't think of beating me
What are you
up.
doing, Brittany?
Well, I'm going.
In a weird way. I don't like that.
What do you mean I'm doing it in a weird way?
Somebody should go for guns. Oh, Robbie, come on.
Rob, don't you dare put your...
Big mess up, Robbie.
Don't be messing with the system.
System.
That's all you do.
She's my daughter. I can't go any further. It's
I feel like I'm attacking me. That was like with Rob too. It was on his back. I was like, Marty, I knew
well, I was
I
going.
didn't even have him in that board, my boobs. And they're attacking me.
I was going for the game. I said, that's my daughter. I can't do it.
He knows his limits.
That's weird.
I'm not like other fathers.
Did you catch it or what?
Yeah, no, it was just like here.
Okay. Okay.